Once we've saved and continued, we're able to now enter the items that the customer is desiring. Once we have all of the items in our order, we would go ahead and hit either submit and enter new or submit and close, at which point it drives us to the point of entering in the card number. But let's assume that the card number that's provided is provided incorrectly. So I've used a test card that should fail for us, putting in an expiration date of September 2012 and the correct card security code. When I attempt to authorize this card, it returns a decline and tells us that the account number is invalid, allowing the user to communicate with the customer and correct the card number. And attempt the authorization again. Once I've corrected that card number and the authorization is then approved,